What's up, everybody? Brian, BH35 Sports Cards. We are doing 2014-2015 Contenders football mixer. 6 boxes, 3 boxes of each. These are your teams on the screen right here. Thank you, everybody who joined. I appreciate it. Good luck to you. Oh, the grandma thing isn't even true. Was it his grandma? One of them? All right, you want to do 14 or 15 first? Oh, I don't know the story about the jam. What, like she made really good jam. All right, we'll go 14. 14 first. Peyote jam. Go for some peyote jam. Come on, no Ravens, no Ravens, no Ravens. Oh boy. What's up, D Black? You still have them if you want them. I've got them. They were, I think they're $60 or 69 or something like that. Do $50. You want them for $50, Shane? All right. Thanks, buddy. Late night, huh? Why you working so late, dude? Nice. Maybe he likes it, dude. Maybe Zinbeck likes grinding out 50-hour weeks. Enjoys his job. The greatest librarian Minnesota has ever seen. Let's check out some 2014 Contenders. There's a redemption. I'll go to the Colts, team on the left. It's not numbered to 99 or below. CJ Federwicks. Rookie ink for the Texans. Kelvin Benjamin. Trey Archer. Playoff ticket to 199 to Demaryius Thomas. Austin Seferian Jenkins for the Bucks. Jason Verrett, nice, to 199 for the Chargers. He's good. I'll go to the Rams. Jaguars. 150 points that'll get randomed amongst everybody. Sammy Watkins. Russell Wilson. Jeremy Hill. Garrett Gilbert to 199. Rams. LT Giants. That's your first box, minus a redemption. Who is Jarvis Landry? Finally signed. Dolphins. Bass Kisser. Box 2. Oh, I got more points. 250. Ebron, Lions. Matt Stafford, cracked ice to 22 for the Detroit Lions. The Hunter, Matt Stafford. Nice card. DeAnthony Thomas for the Chiefs. Can Hawks, little PC sauce. That'll go to the Jags. Bears. Derek Carr in 2014, and then in 2015, Amari Cooper. The Raiders are very good. Another redemption. Another redemption. Sweet. So we got 1 auto, 2 redemptions, and points out of this box. It would be infuriating if you bought this box. Arthur Lynch for the Dolphins. That'll go to the Bills. Camster and Benjamin. Kelvin Benjamin, cracked ice auto to 22. Damn. Big Hurt 35. Booyah. That made my night. Hell yeah. That is sick. On card. Everything. That box, that shut me up, huh? What a great box. 2 cracked ices, 2 redemptions, and points, and a Kelvin Benjamin cracked ice. All right. Devontae Adams. That's the Packers, I believe. Jay Gruz, correct me if I'm wrong. And that was just RPS playoff ticket. And Dante Moncrief for the Colts. Oh, cut right to an auto. Alan Hearns. What? Dude. Alan Hearns cracked ice to 22 for the Jaguars. Big Hurt 35. Rigged. Come on. I couldn't give these guys away. Wow. Alan Hearns. He's kind of a beast, huh? $150 more points. Bishop Sankey. Joe Montana for the 49ers. Aaron Murray. Andrew Luck. Cyrus Kouanjo for the Bills. Oops. Greg Robinson for the Rams. Andy Dalton. Cracked ice Andy Dalton. What? This is insane. The Hunter again. Damn. That is nuts. So. Maybe I'll do that for you. Jordan Matthews for the Eagles. Jay Storino. A forward-facing shiny /99 championship ticket, Ryan Matthews. What a great 3 boxes. Jeez. And Dre Archer, Rookie of the Year, Contenders autograph, RPS, Steelers. 4 cracked ice, 2 of which were autos, 1 of which was on card. $550 points. Yeah, I couldn't even get a Zach Crockett out of there for you, huh? Excuse me. No, you can't get a BH35 sports card promo card. I should just say I'm going to send you a bubble mailer. I don't even have to put anything in it. Yeah. Nope, need tracking. I need tracking. Hey, you guys ever sell at a redemption on eBay and then have the buyer message you and say, hey, can you just scratch it and send it to me? Yeah, don't do that. Because here's what's going to happen. He's going to redeem it. And then he's going to file a complaint against you that you never sent it. Or that when he received it, it was already used. Then you're going to lose. And you're going to lose your money and your card. So just send the redemption unscratched. They've got all these stupid die cuts in it this 2015. I wish they wouldn't do that. Do you guys like die cuts? That's what I'm here for. Why do you insure them? Have you ever claimed on insurance? Leonard Williams. J.J. Nelson for the Cardinals to 199. Antonio Gates, Phillip Rivers. Larry Fitzgerald to 199. Pennant die cut. TJ Yeldon. Trevor Simeon. Broncos. Gerard Holliman. Steelers. Andrew Luck. Titus Davis going to the Jets to 99. Philip Dorsett. Aaron Rodgers. Tevin Coleman. Boom. Falcons. There's a rookie ticket RPS variation. Dan Marino. Tyrell Williams. 6 autos in that box. Alshon. I don't know, man. That sucks. He said he violated the substance abuse. Was he PEDs or did he get popped for recreational stuff? Well, he wouldn't. He'd go into the drug user thing for that, right? Garrett Greason. Marcus Murphy to 125 for the Saints. Eric Rowe for the Eagles. Jamal Charles to 199. Peyton Manning. Gerard Hollyman. Gerard Hollyman number 2. Wonder if one was a variation. Nope, exact same. ED. It's the kind of ED you want. Tyrell Williams. I think we had him too. 2014 definitely crushing 2015. Blake Bell to 49 for the 49ers. Rashard Green to 199. Jags. 6 autos in that one. It needed it too. Think the Jaguars are going to be good this year? Seven and 9. Cam. Josh Robinson, Colts. Sean McCoy. Tyler Croft for the Bengals. Devin Smith. Tyler Lockett, Seahawks. College variation. Canhawks. Nice. Steve Young. Philip Dorsett. Josh Hopper. That's 4. Here's 5. Nate Orchard. Come on, give us one more. Give us a redemption. Alshon to 199. I don't think we're going to get it. Yep, we got it. Oh, just kidding. Cody Fajardo. Wah, wah. And Russ Wilson. Got some points to random off. Let me sleeve these last 6 up. Pretty nice, though. Bunch of cracked ice out of 2014. 4 cracked ice. 2 of them were autos. Alan Hearns. He's good. This guy's better. Kelvin Benjamin. And we have 150, 250, and 150. We'll random everybody that was in the break. Top 3. Top gets 150. Number 2 gets 150, and number 3 gets 150. Top gets 250. Number 2 gets 150. Number 3 gets 150. $17 left in Bowman Inception. You actually enjoy those 2 guys? Not who you're looking for, right? But you don't mind it? Or what's up? Being facetious? All right, 3 times. Number 1 gets 250. Number 2 gets 150. Number 3 gets 150. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. There's a timestamp. Boom. I'm getting 250. Jay Grez 150. Bass Kisser 150. There you go. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for joining. We'll see you guys next time.